Hi friends, in this video you are going to see the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy On Next. I have ordered this phone from Flipkart. I will give the best buy link in the description box. As you can see that this phone is made in India and the price mentioned on the box is 11,200, but you can get this phone around 10,000. If there is a bank offer, it will become little more cheaper. I have ordered the 16GB variant. On the box you can see some of the features of this phone. It is a 3GB variant and it has got a fingerprint scanner, and here is a box, and let's try to remove the phone from the box. As you can see that Indian SIM card only, and inside the box you can see the phone. Let's keep the phone aside and let's see what we got inside the box. Inside the box we have the SIM ejector tool, and we have the booklets such as quick start guide and the warranty card information. Inside the box we get a USB to micro SD cable, and we have the travel adapter. As you can see that the output of this travel adapter is 5 volts 1.55 amperes. Let's try to remove this temporary cover on the phone. Here is the phone, and let's remove the temporary screen cover also. The phone looks pretty solid and it is little bit heavier. And coming to the specification, at the front you got a 5.5 inch full HD display and 8 megapixel front facing camera, and at the bottom you got a fingerprint scanner and capacitive buttons. At the side you got a power button, and at the bottom you got 3.5mm jack port and micro USB port and noise cancellation mic. And at the side you get a tray for micro SD cards expansion, and at the other side you got a dual SIM tray, and you got a volume rockers up and down, and at the top there is nothing. At the back you have 13 megapixel rear camera with flash, and let's try to power on the phone. Inside the phone is powered by 3GB RAM and X7 octa-core processor. The phone has been booted up. Now let's go to the settings and let's see the version of Android. Go to about phone, and you can see that out of the box it runs on Android Nougat. And let's see the amount of space that is available. Go to settings and go to device maintenance. Under storage you can see that 10GB is available free out of 16GB. And let's open the camera and take few sample shots. The camera is doing a decent job inside the room, and I will take some more photos and I will add at the end of this video. For those who are looking to buy a Samsung phone under 10,000, this is a good phone. The phone quality is pretty good. That's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.